Welcome back. Now this is a very important interview video on equity research. Now a lot of questions were asked to us on equity research questions. What sort of question, what sort of profile it is. So we will discuss about what is equity research and what are the roles in this to be played in equity research, and what is the opportunities in this, and what is the hierarchy and what are the skill sets that is required in equity research. What is equity research? Now equity research is you are giving the buy and sell recommendations, like you have seen in your many a times in the news also. Buy Reliance at this, buy Reliance at 1500, and target is around 2000 in the 6 to 7 months period. So this is done by the equity research analyst only. They give the buy and sell recommendations based on the research that they do. So they normally give the buy and the sell recommendation based on the research that they do. They are normally of two types. One is sell side and one is a buy side equity research. Sell side they do it for the investment bankers and the brokerage houses. Buy side they do it for the mutual funds, the hedge funds, HNIs, the pension funds. They do it for them directly, buy side. And sell side they do it for investment bankers and the brokerage houses. The why the equity research is required so much? Because now the equity, why people will like to invest in them, and what is the mode of earning for them. The mode of earning for them is that when they give the buy and sell recommendations, and when the mutual funds and all they buy on the basis of their recommendations, they get a commission on that. So they get a commission on that. Okay, so when the buy and sell, when the buy and securities are bought and sold on the basis of their research reports. And why it is done now, the basics or the main objective of equity research analyst is to beat the alpha, is to beat the market return. If the market return is around 15%, so they will try to beat the alpha, that market return. So this is a mode of active investing. So those who are active investors, they will rely on the reports on the equity research for making money more than the market, to beat the market. Okay, now what are the roles, different types of roles that is played in by the equity research analyst? Now first role that they might play is your this financial modeling and the valuation roles. So they will do the financial modeling. They will be given a particular sector. If you are in equity research, you might get a particular sector like an agriculture or transportation or real estate or construction. So you will get one sector. So you will analyze that industry, you will analyze the company, the industry, the microeconomics, each and everything about that industry. So you will analyze everything, you will prepare the financial model, you will do the valuation also of that company and and also you understand that industry. This is the thing that you will do. Then you also prepare the research report based on the valuation and the financial modeling that you have done. You will prepare a research report on this, whether to buy or sell the this. Apart from that also, we have seen in the news also that in the equity research, they normally in 7:30 or 8 o'clock they give a briefing. They give of the yesterday what was the market and what they think the market will be on the next on today's day. They will give a 24 hours briefing of what has happened on the last day and what should be the market, what the market should look the next the today in when the market opens. So this is done by equity research analyst only. And apart from this, they have a con calls with the directly with the management, also with the company's management. Suppose where they can have a con call with the Reliance Industries or HDFC Bank. So they will know about their what are the plans, what are the future plans they are looking for. So they will ask the questions to the equity, they will ask directly the questions to the management. So they have to be very smart enough to ask the right questions to the management. They might ask why the sales are decreasing, why the profits are increasing, or what are the reasons for the decline in this sales or something. Or they might ask any questions in particular to that industry. So you have to be very good with what sort of questions that you have to ask. The communication skill, networking skills, and how you have to talk to them, so it is very much required. Apart from this, so this is what normally. And also before the quarterly results, they also give the earning estimates and the earning revenues also they give. The earning estimates and all also they give. Okay, so these are the basic questions. What are the skill sets that is required for this equity research analyst role? You should be good with financial modeling, valuation. Normally the degrees that is they hired is your BCom also. You should be BCom with a good in financial modeling, valuation, advanced Excel, PowerPoint presentation, CFA, MBA finance, NISM courses if you have done. So this sort of courses will really help you to get a role in this equity research. So I've told you about the skills and education degrees. Even CAs are hired, but you should be good with your financial modeling, valuation, Excel, stock market knowledge, industry knowledge, microeconomic knowledge, micro and the macroeconomic knowledge. So you should be good with these skills. Apart from financial modeling, valuation, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, stock market. So these are the things that you should be very good with. So I have covered everything, and the hierarchy is that analyst, you will get a junior analyst, then senior analyst, then you become an associate in that, and the package is basically for junior analyst is 3 to 4 lakhs, then it increases in that way 6 to 7 lakhs. In the long term it can go up to good amount to in the 10 to 15 years down the line it can go to 40 to 70 lakhs. So it's a very good role. And even equity research analyst, they get into portfolio management as well after a period of time. So it's a very good role to really apply for, but it's a very demanding role, so you should be you have to be updated all the time with the market movements and everything. You have to track the industry, and you should be really curious, you have the curiosity level you should have to track the market on a daily basis. It's a demanding, a challenging role, but it's a must role if you are you have the curiosity or towards the stock market and industry and everything. I hope the short video will help you to take some decisions based on it. Thank you so much.